CIXIFM oval gear flow meter disassembly and assembly. Unscrew the easy joint fixing screw. Remove the easy connector. Loosen the flow meter cover fixing screws in sequence. Then unscrew the flow meter cover fixing screws. Open the flow meter cover. Take out the gear inside the flow meter. Check whether there is foreign matter in the flow meter cavity. Note that gears with shallow holes have magnets. Next, install the flow meter. When installing, make sure the hole in the gear with the magnet is facing downwards. After the gear is installed, test whether the gear meshes normally. If it cannot engage and rotate smoothly, it needs to be reinstalled. The gear can be installed and mesh normally and rotate smoothly. When installing the flow meter, pay attention to the concave spots on the cover plate in the same direction as the magnet gear. Install the cover fixing screws in sequence. Tighten diagonally. Prevent the sealing ring from being extruded and deformed. Install easy connector. When installing, please pay attention to the position of the easy connector and the card slot. Connect the digital display to test whether the flow meter has pulse signal output. Roll the flow meter to check the numerical changes on the digital display. If the digital display value changes, it is normal.